Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys doing extremely well. So today we are discussing top 10 questions. So English pedagogy question and answers. So let's we start. So the first question is smaller class size for slow learners facilitates greater personalized instruction in the new language because of option is disciplined approach, less interaction and formal assessment. Second option is more interaction, flexible schedule, and authentic assessment. Third one is language focused, formal assessment, and flexible schedule. Fourth is incidental learning, informal assessment, and more interaction. So, the question is small class size for slow learners facilitates greater personalized instruction. So the correct answer is more interaction, flexible schedule, and authentic assessment. So this is the correct answer. Second question is the process of reading skill or a language over a certain period of time may be evaluated. Option is assessing students' interpretation of the text. Second is setting a reading task, setting a reading task with a variety of test items. Third, students appreciate of stylistic devices. Fourth one is by asking students to read aloud a set text. And the correct answer is setting a reading task with a variety of text items. So this is the correct answer. So next question. New technology is becoming an integral part of our social fabric. This is reflected in the classroom when students are. Option is using a whiteboard during a presentation, on frequent field trips for first hand experience. Third one is narrating during PowerPoint presentation. And fourth one is actively searching for answer using computers. So the correct answer is actively searching for answers using computers. So this is the correct answer. Next question. How can you get shy students to speak when they do not want to? So the question is shy students. Option is change the topic to suit the student's ability. Second is give a list of words with meanings to learn and use. Third one is conduct special classes to practice speaking. And fourth one is don't put pressure on them to come up with a response quickly. And the correct answer is Don't put pressure on them to come up with a response quickly. So this is the correct answer. So the next question is, the SAT is a bilingual method which has a three phrases structure of. Option is drill with levels of difficulty. Second is presentation practice production. Third one is error correction reproduction as drilling. Fourth one is listening writing repetition repetitive. And the correct answer is, the question is, sandwich technique is a bilingual method. So the correct answer is, first is presentation, next practice, and third one is production. This is the correct answer. Next question. Formative assessment of students' writing skills could be based on writing skill or formative assessment. Option is model making individually. Second is scripting a skit in pairs. Third one is a formal written test. And fourth one is group dancing. And the correct answer is scripting a skit in pairs. This is the correct answer. Next question is, considering learning styles burden the approaches taken in the management of language related problems. Some students prefer to get new information in written directions or verbal information. Their learning style is, option is visual, second is kinesthetic, third is manipulative, fourth one is auditory. And the correct answer is visual. This is the correct answer. So the next question is, student generated correction are important in language learning because, option is, they indicate activity engagement in the learning process. Second is, more time can be given to grammar drills before production. Third one is, teachers can conduct more remedial classes. Fourth one is, students revise and edit the error in their own writing on speech. The correct answer is, they indicate active engagement in the learning process. So this is the correct answer. The second language course is organized on elements of human society and the natural world without relying on printed text. This called this is called the dash method. Option is natural, grammar translation, language immersion, and fourth one is situational. The correct answer is natural method. This is the correct answer. Next question is, The dash favors the explore, exposure of students to a structure in different contexts that could allow them to apply the rules by themselves. Option is inductive method, deductive method, communicative approach, and direct method. So the correct answer is inductive method. This is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. See you in next video.